Hello everyone, my name is Tania and this is a presentation for my EMATHS 2 testing hypothesis testing assignment. For this project, I choose a claim from the Dimaza Polytechnic Handbook, which state that DB students are required to maintain at least 85% of attendance for each subject. And so population means in attendance, according to this claim, is mu equal to 0.85 or 85%. So 0.85 is the midpoint for the 85%. So these are the same value. My goal is to test whether the actual mean attendance rate of the DB student is different from the 85% or at the 5% of the significant level. So part two is because of the assignment required two-day test, so I set the new hypothesis new equal to 0.85, which means the true mean attendance rate of the DB student is equal to 85%, and the alternative hypothesis, which is the negative statement of the new hypothesis, new is not equal to 0.85. So the true mean attendance is not equal to 85%. It can be lower or higher. Part three is the data collections. I collected the 37 attendance percentage from my classmates and the friends. I made like the Microsoft fonts. I will be share this font. So these are the font that I made, and I will be share again the Excel form. So I got like the sample size is equal to 37 and the sample mean is I use the average formula to calculate all these. And sample standard deviation, I use the Excel formula of the standard deviations, and population mean is mu equal to 0.85 and significant level is 5%. And test statistics, I use the t-test. I use these formulas to calculate this. I will be explaining later why I use the t-test. For the p-value is this is a two-day test, so I use this formula to calculate the p-value. I got like the 5.37 into 10 power minus 11. So because I use the t-test because of the population standard deviation is unknown, so it is literally the two-day test t-test. I have to use the t-test. P-value is lower than 0. So I got like my 5.37 into 10 power minus 11. So p-value is a lot of lower than the significant level. So we can there is a sufficient evidence to reject the new hypothesis. So this means the actual attendance of the DB is statistically different from the 85%. So it is basically and literally higher than the 85%. For the persistence, I found that 95% of the confidence interval for the population means. So I use like the confidence Excel formula to find it. In order to find the confidence interval, I use this mathematical equation. So I got like lower and the higher value. In this case, I am 95% confident that uh, confident that the true mean attendance of the TB student is between the 89.9% and the 94.7%. So this entire interval is above the 85%. It support my earlier conclusion that TB student, every student attendance is higher than 85%. So that's all for my presentations. Thank you.